Hello and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Petit Moves. In this video I will show you a very quick C-walk heel toe combination that you can learn at home to master all the moves that you have seen that I do in my videos. Let's go, let's jump into it. At first you have to start in the closed V-step position. Closed V-step position means that your toes will point to each other, okay? So this is the open V-step, this is the closed V-step. Makes sense, like it's a closed V. From here, we moved to the left side with the twist out, and the right foot will make a back step. It's also called like the T-step because it forms like a T, you know? We make this step, and from here, straight, we will shift our weight on our right foot, and with the left foot, without touching the ground, we will go to the center with our heel, touch it, and switch to the other side. It's a transition, okay? Again, from here, T-step, pointing with the left heel to the center, and make the transition to this side, to the right side. From here, we will make a back step, T-step, right foot this time, switch to this side, T-step, center, other side, T-step, and faster. When you touch with your left foot, for example, here, you have to directly make the transition to your toe, to your heel, from your toes to your heel, and point to the outside. And when you shift with this move, you will put your weight on your leg that's standing in the back. And while you're here, you have the control to go over to the center and go to this side. And as you can see, I'm landing like on toes, straight on heel, shift to this foot, switch my weight to this foot. From here, center, and now you can do this also at home. Practice it and let me know if it was helpful. If not, just shoot me a comment and we will see where the problem was and we will figure it out together. If not, just like this video, show some love, and I'm sure that we'll see us in the next video. Your Petit Moves, I'm out.